Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to log out in Clash of Clans. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to sign out of Supercell and not Google Play. So all you have to do is tap anywhere on the map and access these settings by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Immediately at the top, you will be able to see your Supercell ID, guys. Click connected, guys, and this window will appear. This is where you can manage your Supercell ID account. So if you still want to sign out of your account, click the settings icon on the top of your profile. And then after that, you are going to see your private information about your account. And you just have to scroll down until you see this log out button. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.